Today is a wondrous day. Today is a wonderful day. And it is mainly because of 3 reasons. The first reason is I am alive, you are alive, and we have reason to be thankful for that. Secondly, it is the 16th of January 2026, and ZIMSEC, Zimbabwe Schools Examination Council, has announced that kurikubuda results ordinary level November session. So I have been creating videos for close to 2 years now, and my ideal student is a student akambonyora akasabudirira, or a student ari kufila kuti asati anyora hake but disaster is coming. So I create these lessons with these 2 people in mind. That's why my lessons angu achireba more than usual. That's why my lessons angu are repetitive. Like I try to explain as thoroughly as I can so that we all have a fighting chance at passing ordinary level. The third reason why today is a wonderful day is because I have received this certificate from vidIQ. Our channel has attained 20,000 views. So these 20,000 views are collective views. My video lessons atagadzira so far amount to around 500 videos. Of course, akawanda acho is ordinary level mathematics, but we also have advanced level mathematics. We have combined science ordinary level. We also have statistics and accounting first year level university. Saka we are trying to create as many video lessons as possible. Chimwe chatinoita, we create our videos using Shona. Ndoziva kuti this makes the channel a niche channel, but I think I want this to be my service to my own people. So Shona, kutsanangura maths in Shona, it helps a lot, especially to those students who are struggling. So thank you for supporting us. I'm looking forward actually to hearing testimonials of those who used this channel and they got a good grade in their mathematics. Please, in the comments section, use that opportunity to tell us your story and how this channel helped us. I'm also looking forward to critiques, constructive criticism, of course. Kune avo vanoda kubatsira kuti toimprove sei efficacy kana kuti efficiency yemalessons edu. Toma improve sei kuti anyatso kukubatsirai chaizo. Otherwise, please keep supporting, keep sharing the channel to those who might need it, keep commenting, keep subscribing, and also keep liking so that we continue to grow as a family. Thank you and have a blessed day.